In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect a headset to your PS5 or your PS5 Pro. This is super simple to do, but if you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is start on your PS5 home screen, but up in the very top right, you're going to have your settings. Go ahead and scroll up and select that. And then from here, just scroll up. And then from here, just go ahead and scroll down a little bit. And what you're looking for is this accessory options. Go ahead and select this. And from here, go ahead and choose the Bluetooth accessories in the general tab. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Stay on this page for a little bit because now what you're going to want to do is put your headset in pairing mode. Now this step kind of depends on your headset, but it usually involves holding the power button or the pairing button until the light starts flashing. Sometimes they are USB pairing as well, where you just like plug the back of a USB stick into the back of your PS5 and your PS5 will immediately pop up and say, do you want to pair this device? Go ahead and select it and then select pair. And once you do confirm, it'll connect and you'll see your headset listed in this section as connected. But that is it. Your headset is now going to be connected and ready to use here on your PS5 or your PS5 Pro. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.